Hey y'all, we getting ready to make that famous fried chicken ice cream. Hey, got that ice cream, got that Twix, and got that cornflakes. Hey. Okay, I added that Twix to that ice cream.
Yeah.
That's my little helper back there. She kind of shy.
I'm not shy.
Okay. Trying to get into like a little chicken. Oh, no, a drumstick. Wrong song, not
Yeah,
chicken.
boy.
Stop it. Did you pause? All right, I'm putting them flakes on that chicken drumstick there. Yeah, buddy. Come on, helper. Tell somebody something about something. All right, there it is. Getting ready to put it in the freezer. All right, now we finna try this thing. Look how good that is. I think this one had a little steroids in it because it blew up while it was in the freezer. But okay, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Mmm. You hear that crunch? Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
It's
Okay, that's it.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Try it.